Hello students, this is the next problem under model 5 under ZBus building algorithm. Form ZBus using building algorithm of power system shown in figure. Question 3, self impedance of elements are marked on the diagram. Take element 3 as a link and bus 1 as a reference bus. This is asked in August-September 2020 VTU question paper, asked for 8 marks. Okay, so step 1, what we have to take is, first take P is equal to 1 and Q is equal to 2. Whether P is equal to reference or not, we have to check. Yes, it is a reference. If it is a reference, then we have formula ZBus new is equal to ZBus old 0 0 ZQQ ZPQ PQ. Okay, there is no ZBus old matrix because this is the first step. Therefore, it would be 0 0 0 and ZQQ is equal to ZPQ PQ. Q is 2, Z22 value which is ZPQ PQ, that is J 0.5, or else we can write the matrix which is J 0.5. Okay, this is second row, second column element. Okay, in step 2, okay, we are taking P is equal to 1 and Q is equal to 3. Okay, how do we take P is equal to 1 and Q is equal to 3? Is it a branch or link? Okay, that will be decided by calculating number of branches and number of links. Okay, so number of elements are 3, 1, 2, 3, as well as number of nodes 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, number of branches which is n minus 1 which is equal to 2, and link E minus B which is equal to 1, and also it is mentioned take element 3 as a link. Okay, if we take element 3 as a link, then element 1 and 2 should be branch, right? Therefore, okay, second element is also branch because total number of branches are 2. Okay, so second element, it is between 1 and 3, so take P is equal to 1 and Q is equal to 3, but P is a reference. If P is a reference, ZBus new is equal to ZBus old 0 0, ZQQ is equal to ZPQ PQ. That's it. Okay, so ZPQ PQ, which is J 2.25, J 0.25, that is second element value. Therefore, the matrix will be ZBus old, okay, which is J 0.5, 0, 0, J 0.25, okay, J 0.25. This is the matrix we obtain in second step. And step 3, okay, it's mentioned your third element is a link, correct? Third element is a link, okay, whose value J 0.3. Okay, so ZPQ PQ is equal to J 0.3, okay, which is connected between 2 and 3. So take P is equal to 2 and Q is equal to 3. If Pth bus is not reference bus, as well as if it is link, ZBus old can be calculated using this formula. ZBus new can be calculated using this formula. ZBus old, ZLI, ZIL, ZLL. ZLI is equal to ZPI minus ZQI, ZPI minus ZQI, and ZIL is equal to ZIP minus ZIQ, okay, and ZLL is equal to ZPL minus ZQL plus ZPQ PQ. Okay, so ZBus old, ZBus new is equal to ZBus old. First we'll write down ZBus old. So ZBus old, which is equal to j.5 0 0 j.25. okay, and this is second row, third row, second column, third column, right? So z li, I varies from 2 to 3, okay, because value corresponding to 1 which is 0, so I is equal to 2 to 3. So ZL1 as well as ZL2 as well as ZL3 need to be calculated. Here also Z2L and Z3L need to be calculated, and ZLL. Okay, we will calculate one by one. Okay, this is Lth row as well as Lth column. Okay, ZL2, which is equal to ZPI. Okay, pth value is 2, ith value is 2, so Z22 minus ZQI, Q value is 3, I value is 2. Okay, so Z32 value, okay, Z22 which is j.5 and Z32 which is 0, so it is j.5 only. Okay, j.5 only. Similarly, ZL3 which is equal to ZPI, okay, let us take I is equal to 3, so Z23 minus, okay, taking I is equal to 3 and Q is equal to 3, it becomes ZQI becomes Z33, okay, which is equal to Z23 which is 0, 0 minus Z33 which is j.25. Okay, answer is minus j.25. Okay, so Z2L is equal to ZL2, Z3L is equal to ZL3. Okay, as well as, okay, we need to calculate the value of ZLL. How do we calculate ZLL? ZLL is equal to ZPL minus ZQL plus ZPL, ZPQ, PQ, ZPL. What is the value of P? It is 2. So Z2L, okay, minus ZQL, okay, ZQL, Q value is 3, so Z3L plus ZPQ, PQ, ZPQ, PQ value is j.3, okay, Z2L value which is ZL2, j.5 minus j.25, Z3L value which is equal to ZL3 minus j.25 plus j.3, okay, which is 0.75 plus 0.3, it is j1.05. Okay, it is 1.05. Therefore, Z bus new is equal to, okay, Z bus old, that is j.5 0 0 j.25, okay, ZL2 which is j.5, okay, ZL3 which is minus j.25, okay, j.5 minus j.25, ZLL which is j1.05. Okay, but here this is second row, third row, Lth row, second column, third column, Lth column. We have to remove Lth row as well as Lth column. We will see how to remove Lth row as well as Lth column. In order to remove Lth row and Lth column, Zij dash should be taken is equal to Zij minus Zil into Zlj divided by Zll. Okay, so I varies from 2 to 3 and j varies from 2 to 3. Okay, values corresponding to 1 which is 0, so no need to consider that. Okay, let me take I is equal to 2 first and j is equal to 2 comma 3. Okay, therefore Zij which is equal to, let us take I is equal to 2 and j is equal to 2. Okay, so Z22 dash which is equal to Z22 minus ZIL, so Z2L into ZL2 divided by ZLL, which is equal to Z22 value J.5, Z2L value Z2L J.5, okay, into ZL2 J.5 divided by J 1.05. The value is, answer is 0.26I or J.262. Okay, similarly we will calculate the value of Z23 dash, okay, by taking I is equal to 2 and j is equal to 3. Z23 dash is equal to Z23 minus Z2L into ZL3 divided by ZLL. Okay, Z23 which is equal to 0 minus Z2L which is equal to J.5, ZL3, okay, ZL3 which is equal to minus J.25 divided by ZLL J 1.05. The answer is J.119. Similarly, we will take I is equal to 2 and j is equal to, I is equal to 3 and j is equal to 3. Okay, and Z32 which is equal to Z23 dash. Okay, so and by taking I is equal to 3 and j is equal to 3, we get Z33 dash which is equal to Z33 minus Z3L into ZL3 divided by ZLL. Z33 value which is equal to J.25 minus Z3L value minus J.25 into minus J.25 whole divided by J 1.05. On solving we get J.19. Okay, we got Z22 dash, Z23 dash, Z33 dash as well as Z32 dash. Okay, therefore Z bus new is equal to Z Z22 dash, Z23 dash, Z32 dash, Z33 dash. Okay, so Z22 dash is what? Z22 dash is 0.262, correct? 0.262, so J 0.262. Okay, Z3 dash is 23 dash is what? J.119, so it is J.119. Okay, similarly Z32 dash which is J.119, okay, Z33 dash which is J.19. Okay, this is a Z bus NIV. Okay, this is second row, third row, second column, third column. Thank you.